Are you looking for a really good case for under 20 bucks and some tempered glass? Actually, this tempered glass came with a special surprise, so stay tuned. If you're just looking for the case, skip forward to about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Enjoy! If you like this case and the screen protector, check out the links below in the description. Okay, that's what you get in this one. You get an extra free wireless charger. Only selected customers will receive this giveaway. That is pretty cool. I cannot wait to read more about that. Wow, I'm very excited about that. Okay, and then you have your standard wipes. The reason I ordered this particular product is because it comes with an alignment frame. It does have cutouts for your power button and your volume buttons and the rocker that changes between vibration and regular sound. Before I do that, I will wipe the phone clean. Lots of wipes, that's for sure. It does come with 3 glass protectors, so number 1 for wet, number 2 for dry. Let's start out with the wet. Open that up and give it a good rub down. You want to take all the fingerprints off, all the little dust particles, and any other dirt, stain, whatever, because that will cause air bubbles. And so then I will dry it with this dry wipe. Oh, it's already drying. That's pretty good. So if I look at it at the right angle, I can catch any little dust particles. So I will take that sticker now. Guide stickers, which it seems to be redundant because of this alignment tool here. Let's put this thing on there. Hopefully it won't bring more dust with it. I'm trying not to be over top. That's a really good fit. It's nice and snug, just what I want. Okay, so let's take the first one. I'm gonna move that away just so I don't get any dust on it. I don't want to do anything over it in case particles fall off my sweater. So I will hold it in a way that I just have to drop it onto the screen. There we go. It's a very tight fit. Hopefully it will fit. It's not really fitting, but if I push down on here, I might be able to squeeze it in there. Nope. Oh boy, this is not good. But if I peel it up from the back, I can probably slide it forward far enough. There we go. That actually worked out really well. So I'm just putting pressure all over it. Trying to push from the center out to get all the tiny bubbles out of there. I just want to kind of make a bubble-free line down the middle first, and then see how the squeegee tool works. Oh, it works really well, and it works better than my finger, that's for sure. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are getting somewhere. Now there are a couple of little bubbles on that side. I will have to come back later and add to this video to tell you if they disappear. A lot of the times with these screen protectors, these bubbles disappear. the little ones, the microscopic ones. Bubbles are very tiny, and the bezels are fairly big. Okay, so as you can see, the screen protector does cover the whole screen. Anyways, you can see how the glass goes past the edge of the LCD display, so that's good. All right, next step is to put this on. I need to pull on. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. Case for the iPhone XR. And it feels really solid. And it's clear, so that beautiful red color will shine through. I've never seen this on a case. It's got a film all over it. It's on both sides. I just don't know how to take it off. This is really hard to take off. That is on there. I'm not going to bother removing the outer one just yet. I'm going to put the phone inside first. I'm going to clean the phone off a little bit with this wipe, this dry one, this rag. I don't even know what you call it. There it is. This is also a very snug fit, as far as I can tell. There we go. There you have it. It seems very solid. I am not scared that it will break if I drop it. I mean the phone. Thanks for watching.